Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I hit up Le Papeterie Notepad again. I'm here in Montreal again for a few more days, this time with my family. So I just wanted to pick up a few things. Nothing crazy. So that's pretty much it. I got another watercolor insert since I want to do more watercoloring this summer. And then also I found this cute little notepad. It is from Midori. It's called the Ruler Memo, and it comes with this clear ruler cover that doubles as a ruler. And it's 105 by 59 millimeters. And look, so this is your card size. I've been using it all day. So I did have it with me earlier today. So I'm gonna put this right here like that, and it fits perfectly. How cute is that? And then you will have a little bit of it maybe sticking up at the top, but I don't mind. And then yeah, then you don't have to use the precious inserts that I have not seen in the store yet. So yeah, I was watching another one of my friends' channel, and she was saying that you can, well, she was making her own inserts actually, but if you don't want to go that route, then you can get this guy. Hey guys. Okay, so you finally got your limited edition card size. It's wonderful. It's working for you as a wallet. You have all these little compartments. You can put your coins, your cards, you have the inserts, everything is great. But there's one small problem. They're not making inserts for this. So you are sparingly using the inserts that came with this, and yeah, you're not really getting to enjoy it fully. So I know that there were a lot of tutorials, or a couple that I saw from Jobs Journals. He made a really easy DIY inserts, and I will probably also be doing that. He also made an amazing craft folder made out of leather. I don't know if I'm going to be skilled enough or have the patience to do that, but there is something on the market that you can buy right now, and I managed to pick it up yesterday at Papeterie Notepad. Sorry, I always screw that name up. Papeterie Notepad. So I managed to pick that up, and I checked online, and it is still available. It is a Midori product, and it's called the Ruler Memo, Monthly Memo 4 months. And when I was at the store, I noticed that it does fit perfectly inside of your Traveler's Notebook 20th anniversary card size. So I totally love that. And also it comes with a ruler. So this is the ruler, and it also acts as a protective cover for your memo pad. So if you have, let's say you want to put it, maybe you could put in your craft folder. Let's see if that fits. So you could totally slide that in there. Isn't that amazing? I love that. And not only is it just a notepad, so this is called the 4 month for a reason. In the front, you have 4 pages of monthlies. 1, 2, and then if you open up this guy, you should have 3, 4. So you have 4 pages of monthly, and how this is being used is you're going to read the month here, whichever month you choose. It gives you 31 days. And then here you can write down deadlines or important dates. And then what they say to use for the rest of the notepad is you can use it for scrap paper, whatever you want, note taking. But I just love that you have like a little calendar there. It's so compact. And I love that it's 4 months, because whatever you need to do in the next 4 months is probably most of the things you need. If there's anything more important, then you probably want to move that or migrate that to your larger candle. But I just thought this was an amazing option, since there are not that many options for this, and it just fits perfectly in there. So I will probably be going down the DIY make your own insert route, but for now I am happy with this guy. And one more thing, I did a swatch test, and so Midori is known for making very good fountain-friendly ink paper. So these are all of the inks that I tested. This ink in particular, it always bleeds. It's a very, very, very heavy ink. It's the Herbon Emeraude de Chevaux, one of my very favorite inks. And I put it in a stub, an Eco stub, TWSBI Eco stub. So that pen and that ink, it gushes. And I tested a bunch, and I'm just gonna show you the ghosting. Ghosting where? There is no ghosting. So I love this notepad. Let's see the inks that I tested. I did Mont Blanc Irish Green. This is still available, by the way. Sailor Tea Time Afternoon Tea. You might have to go the eBay route for that one. I think this one is still available. Bungo Box Shuto Bancha. And then this one is also still available. Herbon Emeraude de Chevaux. And then I also tested my favorite pen, the Zebra Sarasa R, which is a rollerball, I believe. Rollerball gel pen. Or maybe it's just a gel pen. And then I also tested out Tombow. And then this is my favorite ballpoint pen for the pocket or the card size TN, which is the Pilot Birdie. I tested that as well. So there is no ghosting. Look at that. Clean, flawless. And if you still can get your hands on this, I think you should totally grab it. Which leads me to the next thing. There are a few retailers, but I didn't see many. So I did pick up an extra one. So I will be adding this one to my 500 sub giveaway. Yeah! So I will link the link for that video right here. So if you guys haven't entered, please like the 500 sub giveaway video, subscribe to the channel, and just comment 500. So I will be adding this guy along with a brand new one of this, which is the passport insert, so you can collect all of your stamps. And then I had like a few other things that I added to that. So you can see the video again here. Highly, highly, highly recommend this product if you have this. Particularly because, not just because it fits perfectly in here and there are not many options for this guy right now, but because it is also Midori product, so you know the quality is there. And number 3, because it is fountain ink friendly. If you want to enjoy all of those pens that you've been hoarding and all of those beautiful inks that you spend all that money on, what is the point if you can't even write on the paper? Paper is such an important component when journaling because you don't want to have ghosting. I mean, look at Hobonichi the other year when they were having that big drama. So yeah, I'm gonna stock up because I'm gonna be giving one to you guys, and then I'm gonna stock up, like maybe buy a few more. I also bought one for my boyfriend, so because number 4, the size, it's so compact, like, well, because it's gonna fit in there, so it is gonna be compact, but there's so many good reasons to buy this guy. The Midori Ruler Memo, monthly 4 months. And I just love that you have all of your important dates at a glance right there on that first page right there. You don't have to go flipping through the book. Everything is right there. Oh, I love it so much. So highly, highly, highly recommend. I will probably be making another video because right now I'm looking for some pretty paper that I can use for my DIY inserts for the covers. So I want to find some pretty inserts, and I loved how Job's journal used, he found like a very colorful tearaway calendar. So it had some really pretty graphics on the back, but then on the back it's completely white. So it's actually perfect for an insert. So I love that. So I'm gonna maybe try to find some cute paper as well. So I need to find nice paper for the cover, cardstock, and then some cute paper that I can use for the inside of the inserts. I already have a paper cutter, so that's gonna be easy. And then the good thing about this guy is it's so small, so I don't think you even have to go out and buy like a long roller so you can punch the spine of the insert. So most of these things you should already have in your desk. And oh yeah, one thing that I got, I will also be reviewing a hole puncher because I'm gonna do DIY plotters inserts as well. So I managed to find the hole puncher that does that on Amazon. It was very expensive, so I will be doing that my next video, for the next video, DIY inserts. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.
So all the special editions, demo batch, much more.
Hello, how are you?
Good yourself?
Good. Hi.
Oh, you got the small one.
Yeah.
Very good. That's right.
This, no, I'm buying more of those. I was just showing your coworker. I bought the little this yesterday, and it fits perfectly in
Oh,
there.
I remember you. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So I need to get more.
I agree. Is there anything else with
My
that today?